Yr ymdaith academaidd. Graduates and guests, please be upstanding for the academic procession.
Good morning and welcome. Please be seated. Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, it's my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. As graduates of this university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of the businesses and professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now to see how their small colleges have grown into a major international university. A university that adds value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally, changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied arts or business, humanities or sciences. Across the United Kingdom and in many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are engineers, sport professionals, artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, police officers and nurses. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy scepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent. Every one of you has intellect. and every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work, and you now have the qualification to prove it. So as I start this ceremony, I'd like you to remember 3 things. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a credit to you, and we are all very proud of you. Well done. Thank you.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Cardiff on the 4th day of July 2019. Today we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the University. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectations that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction. Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynheili'r cynlluniad o Brifysgol De Cymru yn Ninas Caerdydd ar y 4edd o Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrhydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy deallasrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd ei bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu eu cyrhaeddiad, gadewch i'r rhieni sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod eu hymrwyfiad a'i dathlu eu llwyddiant. Bydd oswn ein gobeithio'n a'i disgwyliadau ynynt, gan obeithio byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'i disg gebron eu proffesiwn a'n chymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at dyfodol ein gymdeithas gyda anrhydedd a chlod.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Society candidates that have been awarded the Master of Science in Finance and Investment. Ross Room. Zhao Jun Yo. Postgraduate Diploma in Legal Practice, Emma Bush. Abby Davis. Louise Gilly. The Blake Morgan Prize for Best Performance by a Legal Practice Student, Rebecca Griffith. Matthew Loader. Amina Sonam Nazir. Precious Love Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Financial Planning, Investment and Risk, Isabella Araminta Jocasta Lenton Brooke. Alasim Mohammed. Niche Independent Financial Advisors Prize for Best Performance by a BSc Financial Planning, Investment and Risk student, Hannah Olsarova. Michael Rehak. Chloe Wright. Master of Science in Finance and Investment, Osama El Abdoui. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Society. I now present to Congregation the Faculty of Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Alex Barraclough Brady, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Cultural Intermediaries in the Presence of Welsh National Identities in Public Celebrity Images. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Rebecca Williams, Dr. Leslie Harbridge and Professor Ruth McElroy, Faculty of Creative Industries. Lian Chun Chua, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Diploma in Entertainment Arts, a Borgesian commentary on its field, habitus and social capital in Malaysia. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Paul Carr, Dr. Hilary Ramsden and Ms. Inga Burrows, Faculty of Creative Industries. Simon Thomas Dancy, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Ploughing the Sea, Imagined Hegemonies and Transnational Cultural Policy in Latin America. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Philip Mitchell and Dr. Robert Campbell, Faculty of Creative Industries. Jessica Hopkins, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Investigating the Role of Arts-Based Practice in Fostering Wellbeing and the Regeneration in Communities in the UK. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Hilary Ramsden, Michael Carklin and Carol Isles, Faculty of Creative Industries. The Master of Arts in Animation, Rhys Williams.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau mewn cynhyrchu'r cyfryngau.
Bethan Evans. Hav Rhys Morris. Arianel Hav Perry.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau mewn theatr a drama.
Owain Clear Broderick. Martha Prydwen Davis. Gwenlyn Carwen Evans. Abigail Francis Johns. Georgia Rose Lewis. Rebecca Tinsley. The Bachelor of Arts in Creative Music Technologies, George Baker. Rachie Bryant. Edward Clapton. Annie Clark. Adam Lee Davis. Holly Evans. Luke Evans. Stanley James Austin Fouracres. Reuben Hoare. Ben Horton. George James. Gavin Johnson. Elliot Lawton. Charles Marshall. James Alexander Miller. Zach Pearce. Ashley James Tucker. Martin Rees-White. Ellis Hugh Colston-Widgery. Gurgali Jori. The Bachelor of Arts in Dance, Jessica Adams. Lucy Joanna Ainsworth. Martha Dunbar. Rebecca Ellen Johnson. Lucy Locke. Fionn Morley. Charlotte Zoe Perkins. Daniela May Powell. The Bachelor of Arts in Film, Brandon Abley. Josephine Adolfson. Bethan Badham. Callum Byrne. Edson Geordie Cameron. Gary Camilleri. Daniel Chilcott. Richard Copeland. Andrew Creek. Philip Crossley. Rhys Dalloway. Oliver Draper. Joshua Evans. Joshua Evans. Oliver Draper. Joshua Evans. Martha Willow Evans. Ryan Evans. Kieran Graham John Mark Every. Alice Catherine Finley. Jessica Flavin. Jessica Ann Gammon. Michael Gazda. Robert Gregor Greiner. James Holbrook. Braden Hollingworth. Eve Jones. Theodore Kears. Connor Kelsey. Makala Kelsey. Vendula Kosova. Charlie Lewis. Davy MacDonald. Pavel Marley. Alexandros Matai. Liam Anthony Matthews. Bethan Myers. Linda Mestrakova. Georgia Morley. Joseph Parton. Matthew Luke Portal. Thomas Ben Powell. Hannah Bethan Pritchard. Wojciech Prochaska. Anne-Marie Rose Savory. Rio Snedden. Lara Stoffers. Kyle Sean Thomas. Stefan Glenn Tomaszewski. Hannah Tottle. Connor Law Twig. Andrew Wayne. Aurora Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Film Studies, Ashley Jenkins. Eloise Smith. Matthew Walters. The Chapter Arts Prize for Academic Excellence in Film Studies, Tom Wardley. Luke John Lyle Williams. Rodri Walterton. The Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, Daniel Bevan. Susanna Chalapova. Sarah Louise Davis. Ross Dawson. Courtney Evans. Marketa Fiala. Rachel Kerry and Harrod Jones. Jimmy Dean Miller. Jessica Monk. Jessica Morley. Hannah Reed. James Ian Thomas. Liam Daniel Thomas. Alicia Westcott. Zoe Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Media Production, Georgia Emily Anderson. Naomi Ashling. Liam Barker. Oliver Bond. Liam Boyd. Monica Burashova. Dion May Sophie Elizabeth Ann Cobley. Daniel Collier. Jeffrey Corney. Vanan Dangova. Matthew Davis. Tom Day. Joshua Deacon North. Daniel Dykes. Ruari Thomas Edwards. Nicole Flavin. Matthew Griffiths. Kyle Hacker. Kieran James Hiscox. Jake Hopkins. David Horn. Elizaveta Jasnova. Charlie Jones. Samuel Paul Jones. Fahama Khalid. Adam Kreuziger. James McClintock. Chloe Meredith. Lucas Nevesnik. Bethany Norman. Eilworth Zach Owen. Emily Pepler. Sophie Yvonne Rawlings. Faye Reg. Phoebe Rees. Fern Roberts. Louise Swarbrick. Mia Sweet. Lewis Temby. Josh Thomas. Leah Tucker. Jonathan Whitefoot. Madeline Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Media, Culture and Journalism, Casey Jane Adequate Blundell. Elizabeth Cruz. Philip Dragovostov Jalov. Declan Oswald Graham Godfrey. Amy Hutchings. Sophie James. Bethan Jones. Georgia Jordan. Simran Kaur. Igor Ligon. Lauren Lucas. Seren Malcolm. Chloe Mielkowski. Julia Sophie Ramrath. Lucy Richards. Katie Westaway. Elizabeth Williams. Leah May Williams. Rebecca Jane Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Music Business, the NatWest Power Up Graduate Prize 2019, Emily Arda Walter. Thomas Bird. Philippine Boisnard. Callum Edwards. Shanna Jade Evans. John Windsor Ali Griffiths. Lewis Merrick. Beata Mielko. Jan Valenta. The Bachelor of Arts in Music Business, Institute of Contemporary Music Performance, Josephine Bouilot. Benjamin Brooklyn Brown. Maxwell Durham. Freya Hepburn. Kadisha Hudson. Christian Kelleher. Lauren Moore. Miguel Angel Tello Boracay. Christopher Watson. Daniel Williams.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol, Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw mai, Elw. A byddant yn chwarae, Isn't She Lovely? Bare Necessities, You've Got a Friend in Me. Raddedigion, Gwesteion, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to Elw.
The Bachelor of Arts in Performance and Media, Vita Archimavicha. Bert Kwan Ryan Chew. Lauren Emily Coates. Kay Dennis. Jack Hawkins. Jasmine Jackson. Gavin Jones. Wan Xuan Li. Shui Xing Huang. Jack Morris. James Prendergast. Clara Uta Schmidt-Galash. Sophie Spain. James Spiller. Alicia Kayi Tam. Abigail Mireille Timms. Samuel Ju-Shun Tin. Mengjing Wang. Gabrielle Williams. Valvert Wong. Bridie Ann Wood. Chi Hua Yong. The Bachelor of Arts in Performing Arts, Heather Louise Burns. Scott Chalice. Hannah Jane Clark. Morgan J. Ellis. Jose Pedro Fortuna Mireles de Pino. Charlotte G. Stephanie McCardle. Chloe Miller. Courtney Richards. Faith Violetta. Katie Marie Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Photojournalism, Nicholas William John Bell. Jennifer Ann Doby. Kerry Ellsworth. Mohammedian Mohammad Ashak. Amy Farrow. Emily Flanahan. Rebecca Louise Matthews. Sarah Miles, Ayush Pashnanda, Sean Riki, Billy Stillman, the Bachelor of Arts in Popular and Commercial Music, Taylor Asbridge, Marek Ball, Karis Geneva Besley, Scott Bowman, George Broadhurst, John Anthony Collins, Joshua Cronin, Elena Embrakta, Matthew Evans, James Freeman, Magnus Hansen, David Morgan Isaac, James Henry Bennett Jones, Jack Killer, Dave Lewis, Beatriz Maria Lopez Fernandez, Sharon Manganaro, Mary Miller, Zdenko Machina, Fionn Murray, Aled Cullen Bonus Owen, Milo Palmer, Zoe Susanna Ping, Daniel Roberts, Jed Robertson, Jennifer Sadler, Christian Anthony Sirwa, Charlotte Marie Walker, Clementina Wojcicka, Alexander Westervold, Jamie Willits, Abby Hannah Williams, Rebecca Megan Williams, Zachary Winwood, the Bachelor of Arts in Scriptwriting, Rebecca Betton, Philip John Wesley Brewer, Laura Theodora Dobre, Kieran Fitzgerald, Elizabeth Cates, Jordan McCarthy, Jessica Morris, Jacob William James Oldham, Liam Rees, Natasha Walton, the Bachelor of Arts in Theatre and Drama, Tian Allen, Zoe Arundel, Nerida Rose Bradley, Luigi Caramella, Ashley Carter, Millie Ann Chambers, Shania Cole, Chloe Davis, Leah Adrienne Davis, Lauren Ensor, Zach Frost. Charlotte Emily Giles. Natasha Grabauskas. Kaylee Marie Gribble-Morgan. Mohammed Habaksi. Gemma Harbour. Aaron James Hart. Connor Reese Hughes. Alana Idden. Abby Jones. Mina Kenner. Ryan Kirk. Callum Lapton. Shannon Lee. Thomas Lewis. Gethin Ian Llewellyn. Stacey Mallon. Rachel Mann. Rebecca Maylard. Anna Magdalena O'Brien. Nia Pittman. David Platt. Imogen Powell. Pasha Prasky. Sarah Roberts. Alice Shaw. Kerry Skinner-Pello. Chloe Sweet. Olli-Pekka Johannes Vetalainen. Nicole Wainwright. Karis Webb. Trey Williams. Devante Williams Fleming. Bachelor of Arts in Visual Effects and Motion Graphics, Josh Blake. Mitchell Bryce. Jamie Bryant. Christopher Callow. Connell Howard. Joe Hickson. Samuel Joseph Lewis. Noah Lloyd. Oscar Minich. Narena Sophia Maud-Zakaria. Charlotte O'Keefe. Thomas Parsons. Courtney Page Purnell. Nikki Kevin Rosser. Laura Samuel. Paul Schutt. Claudia Edita Skalska. Theo Thomas. Elliot Thorne. The Bachelor of Music in Contemporary Music Performance, Jordan Lewis Chandler. Ross Chislett. Sherelle Crocker. Eric Geordie Fletcher Davis. Joshua Dublevic. David Green. Connor Hayden. Jordan Howells. Sophie Lamont. James Lee. Jessica Hannah Manners. Joel Matthews. Georgia Lee O'Donovan. Connor Allen Owen. Robin Southam. Eleanor Strong. Bryony Townsend. Ellis Walker. The Bachelor of Science in Creative Industries, Popular Music Technology, Rowan Coombs. Matthew Davis. Luke Duncan. Thomas Greening. Thomas Hill. Christian Cherise Laxer Manuyag. Justin Morris. Sean Spiteri. Faris Talab. Joshua Thomas. The Bachelor of Science in Sound Engineering, the Stephen Perry Award for the Best Final Year BSc Sound Engineering student, Frederick Badham. Benjamin Borrow. Andy Bosley. John Martin Butterfield Elsey. Daniel Coppock. Pierpaolo De Nicolo. Pierpaolo De Marchi. Toby Evans. Kimberly Fonseca. Sean Hicks. John Hinks. Michelle Leidy. Lorenzo Mencaroni. Jordan Moore. Katrina Jane Morgan. Reese Portsmouth. Aidan Jack Pouncey. Glyn Morgan Reese James. Christopher Mark Richards. Joseph Sewell. Jonathan Stevens. Abigail Louise Toman. Callum Vernon. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Media Production, Coleg Gwent Crosskeys, Hope Barker. Adam Gibbs. Ross Hanford. Evan Pearce. Jack Samuel. Theodore Swadling. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Performing Arts, Merthyr Tydfil College, Myron Gratland. The Foundation Degree in Science in Creative Industries, Popular Music Technology, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Bodvach Ivan Diamond. The Bachelor of Arts in Film, Marketa Janoskova. The Bachelor of Arts in Creative Music Technologies, Nathan Luke Corbett. Foundation Degree in Arts and Performing Arts, Merthyr Tydfil College, Callum Cranford. The Bachelor of Arts in Film, Brett O'Brien. The Bachelor of Arts in Film, Samara Paradiso. The Bachelor of Arts in Music Business, Institute of Contemporary Music Performance, Sade Henry. Bachelor of Arts in Music Business, Institute of Contemporary Music Performance, Danielle Morgan. Bachelor of Arts in Media Production, Welsh Language, Yolo James. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Creative Industries.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and of course the most important people here today, graduates. Today has been an occasion of solemn, formal, academic ceremony with a very long tradition. It has also, at the same time, been a moment of great emotion and pride. I, on 2 occasions, sat in the audience, in halls very similar to this one, to see my own daughters graduate. And believe me when I say, I understand the pride, I understand the emotion. Graduates, it's a great day, and we are delighted to be celebrating your success with you. But truth to tell, you did not make that journey alone. Present here today, behind you, are the very many people, parents, carers, partners, friends, who supported you throughout. They encouraged you when things got tough, as inevitably they did. They urged you on when you tried unfamiliar things. To quote a phrase, they were there for you. So today it is your opportunity and ours to thank them for the part they played in your success by a well-deserved round of applause. For us here on the stage, today is one of the highlights of the university year. There are 3,000 staff at this great university, and it has been their mission to teach, to mentor, to feed, counsel and support you, our new graduates on the way to success. And I'm told that some of them have had the occasion to send the odd pithy reminder, but that could just be a rumor. The success of every USW graduate is built upon a university-wide commitment on the part of every member of staff, whatever his or her role. Seeing you, our students, succeed, that is their raison d'être, that is what they do. And their role too, you will agree, deserves to be acknowledged by a round of applause. But graduates, as I have said, today above all is all about you, celebrating your achievements and publicly marking your success. It is also the moment when we, the USW academic community, say, you are now one of us. We share the same values, and we are proud that you should be taking those values out in the world. Of course, the university did equip you with the skills and elements of knowledge essential to your academic or professional disciplines. We know from personal experience that the education that USW provides is highly valued by employers, and of course, we're proud of that. But there is an important added dimension to what is offered by the university. We foster in our graduates the ability to think for themselves, to challenge received wisdom, to question facile assumptions, and to dispute unverified assumptions. We see it as part of our mission to nurture people who can and will ask constructively critical questions in life, particularly in public life, helping others to grasp what a critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is. In brief, you are people who can and will explore difficult issues in a spirit of respect and positive expectations. These are timeless values at the heart of the university's ethos, and we trust they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. I hope, that your time at the university has offered the kind of intellectual challenge which broadens horizon. We hope that it has opened up pathways to exciting and fulfilling careers. We hope that it has inspired in you a spirit of inquiry and a yen for lifelong learning. And now our very best wishes go with you for your future endeavors. Well done, all of you, and good luck for the future. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed.
Wnewch chi sefyll ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. Please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.
Wow.